Hello, viewers, welcome to my channel. Tag questions for practice part 21. S.S.C All Board 2018. At present everybody likes cricket, at present everybody likes cricket, don't they? Students hardly miss watching this game, students hardly miss watching this game, do they? Nothing is more enjoyable to them than cricket, nothing is more enjoyable to them than cricket, is it? How exciting the game is, how exciting the game is, isn't it? Let's play this game. Let's play this game, shall we? Like, share and subscribe please. Thanks for watching. Learn with Jahangir Sir. Teacher, UCEP Bangladesh.